Alright, hey guys. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the new and a shoe on feet review on the new Nike Roshe runs print. This is the what do you call aluminum white, Persian violet, aluminum black, pearl red. If I can't pronounce that shit like that. Alright, anyways, yeah, this is how they look. I like them. They're pretty good. Good for you. I love the soles. They're very comfortable. But the size 9.5. Good shoes. Look nice and they feel comfortable. Alright, I'm gonna do it on foot now. Alright, guys. So these are the shoes. Very beautiful shoes. Very beautiful shoes. Alright. Oh, legit. Yeah. I'll do an on foot review now.
We laughed at now, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one. Wait, don't close it yet.
Y'all be quiet. I'm trying to do a review for my YouTube channel.
What?
Shit. Check it out, bro. Very good for push-ups too. Very good. Make you do some good army strong push-ups. Alright guys, that's it. That's the review. Alright guys, tune in. Next time it's Cyber Chase.